Join me while I make 5 tins of the highest quality beard balm. First things first, I'm going to gather my equipment. Scales, big knife, stirring utensil, stainless steel bowls for weighing and melting, a stainless steel pan. I'm using the double boiler method to melt my solid oils. Pair of Pyrex jugs for pouring hot oil and weighing carrier oil, and a smaller one for weighing essential oil. Spoon for the clays, it's a matte finish. Chopping board down, first ingredient, coconut oil. Conditions hair, helps prevent dryness. Get it weighed. Get it in my melting bowl. Cocoa butter provides deep nourishment, helps reduce the itch which you might have if you just started growing a beard. Get it weighed. It's very easy to be exact with this because it crumbles down into little pieces. Get it in the melting bowl. Mango butter, lightweight hydration, soothes and nourishes the skin. Weighed into the melting bowl. Shea butter, very moisturising. It softens the hair and the skin underneath. Get it weighed. It's been very hot here in Manchester, England this week. My solid oils are cutting effortlessly into the melting bowl. French pink clay. Creates a nice colour. That's the main reason why I like it in beard balms. Decorative. French green clay detoxifies, absorbs excess oil. It's great for oily or acne prone skin. Expertly filmed beeswax provides hold, seals in moisture. Cetyl alcohol improves the texture. It makes the balm easier to melt in your hand too, more malleable. Castor oil promotes thickness and shine. Pour down that stirring utensil to avoid dribbling down your 5 litre tub if you're using a big tub. Vitamin E protects against dryness, supports skin health, also lengthens the shelf life of your beard balm. You know, so I've moved scales there to like a smaller one so I can get exact on my Grapefruit Essential Oil. Nice uplifting scent of grapefruit. Getting exactly 3% solution on this beard balm. Vetiver, not for the faint-hearted, very strong scent. Earthy, calming aroma, soothes irritation. Apparently it's got beneficial qualities, not just a nice smell. Give it a little stir. I'm getting my tins ready now, so I'm not faffing about when I've got hot oil on the go. Double boiler prep, boiling water in the stainless steel pan. First ingredient to melt down my cetyl and beeswax. This is on ×5 speed. On quite a low heat, nothing crazy on the heat. Get it all melted down. Keep working it through. I'm going to set that to one side and melt my solid oils and butters. You can do it in the same pan. I'm just experimenting recently with melting them at different times, try and preserve as much goodness as possible. But you can throw it all in. I've got other videos where I do it all in one pan. Don't be afraid to get your knife in there if you've got some solid oil nugs that aren't melting down quickly. Again, nice low heat. In goes the castor oil. One of these tins are already sold. A guy in America bought one. I really enjoy sending things over the Atlantic. Again, brilliantly filmed by myself, getting the essential oil and the vitamin E into the mix. Working that through, and then in goes the melted beeswax and cetyl. Give that a good stir. Make sure it's all completely melted down. And in goes the clay. I've used white clay for beard balm many times. I like using the pink and green recently for the extra benefits, and it's an unusual colour. It goes quite well with the Vetiver and Grapefruit as well, I find. I haven't used any other colour clays yet in my beard products. I will be experimenting with those in future. Give it a good stir, and I'm getting ready to pour now. So hot mix into a Pyrex. It'd be good to have a lipped stainless steel bowl where I can skip this step and go straight to the pour. In we go. I've got more tins than I need there, but I'm just in the habit of doing that. So I'm filling my 5 all the way to the top. Looking good. You notice I put it on a board as well. That's so I can quickly transport to the fridge. To avoid grittiness, you want to, anything with shea butter in, you want to stick in the fridge for an hour. After 1 hour, the end result. These look fantastic, they smell nice. I'm in fact wearing one of these right now. Very nice beard balm. If you enjoyed this video, watch some of my other videos. If you want to buy some of my excellent products, fullsetproducts.com. You can get this exact beard balm, you can get other beard balms, beard butter, beard oil, lip balm, soap. Get it got, quality gear for your beard. Thanks very much.